My name's Tom Carter, Business Development Manager for the UK. In this episode, we travel to a Torsion construction site up in Leeds, but I'm not alone. I'm joined by Michelle Myers and Niall Conroy from WOLFF Onsite. But before all that, we speak to Sam Lissitor, Site Manager at the Torsion site on Burley Street in Leeds, to get his insights into what it's like working with the Enertainer.
Operationally on site, it's been faultless. We've not had any issues with the power. Install has been great as well. We've even benefited from when we've had to do generator services. We've still got continuous power for the crane, so we've not had to stop any operations. We had the 300 kVA generator on site, the flybrid unit and the hush pod powering the crane. And then when we brought in the Enertainer unit, we managed to swap the generator down to a 100 kVA generator, brought the Enertainer unit in to power the crane, and that enabled us, when the site progressed, we were able to add on our site temps and power the hoist to save bringing in an additional generator to power that unit. On an average day on site, I think the generator charging up the Enertainer unit only runs for about 5 or 6 hours a day, which we can obviously easily monitor on the Enernet platform. Which has been great. We've got significant savings on fuel and also noise generation. It's quite an urban site, so that ticks a few boxes with our BREEAM certifications and considerate constructors.
Now let's hear the thoughts of Michelle Myers, who's the Product Manager for WOLFF Onsite, into what made them look into battery technology.
So as a business, we've never really had much involvement or any involvement in powering sites for our clients. But as we're generally the first on-site, it does kind of make sense that we should be able to offer our clients a power solution. It is impossible to ignore the shift in sustainable power on the construction industry. So with that in mind, we wanted to find a product that would support our journey on finding a power solution for our clients to support their sites.
Now let's get some CO2 figures from WOLFF Onsite Sustainability Manager, Niall Conroy.
We're bringing this single Enertainer onto this site. We've removed the equivalent of 465 kVA of power generation. Now, that has obviously reduced the amount of diesel that's being consumed, which in turn reduces the amount of carbon being emitted. We've prevented the equivalent of 36 tonnes of carbon being emitted per month, which equates to around 15,725 commutes into Leeds. And when you're looking at the benefits that brings as well, you've got better air quality in the local area due to reduced particulate matter and nitrous oxide emissions.
That concludes episode 2 of Ampd on the Road. I guess we're left with happy site team, happy local residents, and happy QSers. In the UK, if you think you have a project which could benefit from the Ampd Enertainer, please get in touch with WOLFF Onsite. Outside the UK, you could visit our website at ampd.energy.